Hello everyone, I've uploaded two scripts on Github which I quickly wanted to demonstrate. Both the scripts are used to get a callback on a function. First one gives it after a certain interval of time, while the other one gives it after a condition is met. I have a blank scene here with the scripts imported into my assets. Let's now create a controller script to trigger the callback requests. In the update method of the controller, let's add the request for timer callback when we hit space. We simply have to call the add task function of the callback timer. We can give it a predefined function, work, with object parameter to get called after certain time. Or we can create the function within the parameter itself. Let's set the timer to 1 and pass the parameter as 2.3 and log the output. Now let's create an empty game object in the scene and add the two support scripts and controller to it. When we now play the scene and hit space, the function will get called after the time interval we specified. Let's now move to the next class. Same as the timer class, we have to add a single line to register the request. Let's give it a function parameter value of 2.3, set data type to be float. For the data to be compared, we will create two float variables in this script and pass that to the class. So, the object in which our data to be compared lies is this script, and the data is getType.getField value 1. Same for the second data. Object is this and data is getType.getField in value 2. Object should be the class object that contains the variables to be compared. Let's set comparison type to be equal. Also remember, string and object data types only support equal and not equal comparisons. Others are only for float data type. Let's now hit play and register the task using space. And as soon as we make the values equal, we get the callback. Let us now see how to create custom comparators for the custom data types. In the data type parameter, select custom to be the data type. For custom comparator, we have to provide a function with two object parameters which has to return a boolean value. Objects that are parameters to this function are values of data we are comparing. Return true if the condition we require is satisfied. Also, don't forget to set comparison type to be custom. In this function, let's create a statement that if the value 1 plus 1 is equal to value 2, then return true. Let's hit play and add the task using space. And as soon as we set the second value to be first value plus 1, we get the callback. I just wanted to share those scripts because they can really help to quickly prototype things or can be even used in production builds. So subscribe and hit the like button so I can share more free plugins. And as always, thank you for watching.